Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about an Windows apps which is necessarily you need to be used. Like, you need this tool. Every Windows user must try this. So the app's name is Quick Look. So let's search for the Quick Look, and here you will find out that once Quick Look, and let's hit enter, and you can see we already get the suggestion. You just need to click over here, and here actually you can see Quick Look enables a very quick preview of file contents by pressing the space bar. Note this app does not work on Windows 10 as device, so you just need to be use 11. So here you can see the sample. This way it actually works. So let's install this one for our PC and let's see the result in here. Let's click to the gate, and then here it will take a couple of minutes to the install. Once it's done, then you will eventually find it out how useful it is. So let's say it will take almost 2 or 3 minutes to complete, so we just need to be patient in here. Let's open a new tab. Like, if you want to see the quick look of your file, you can easily do it. Like, let's open this one, and it already been installed, and you just need to click here. And now if I come over that one running, okay, that's great. If I come over that place and if I click this one, then eventually you will get to see the quick look is actually working. That is really amazing. Like, let's say we are going to download, and I am going to use this one, this PDF. Just click this one, and you will get to see the quick look is working. So right now it is not working because it is not installed yet. Like, I just need to be restart my computer, then actually it will be work for us. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, and you just need to be must try Quick Look for you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.